Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about to decorate a puja thali, as well as at the last of this video I will be sharing 5 gift ideas inside one magical box for this Rakshabandhan. So let's get started. त्योहार जीवन को खुशहाल और रिश्तों को मजबूत बनाने में एक अटूट कड़ी की भूमिका निभाते हैं। रक्षाबंधन से फेस्टिव सीजन स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं और इस थाली को हम आने वाले हर एक फेस्टिवल, पूजा ओकेजन कभी भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जैसे जन्माष्टमी, गणेश चतुर्थी, नवरात्रि, दिवाली पूजा और एनी टाइप ऑफ मैरिज फंक्शंस टू। नाउ टू मेक दिस मैजिकल बॉक्स, हम सबके घरों में पुराने फ़ोन के बॉक्स आराम से मिल जाते हैं जो ऑलवेज अच्छी क्वालिटी के ही होते हैं। हेयर आई एम यूजिंग एन इंटरनेट डोंगल बॉक्स. It has 3 layers. So let's get cover it with a beautiful paper first. I have given link for this paper in the description box below. You can check it out from there. For our first gift idea is none other than chocolates. It's very much common but evergreen too. We have 3 layers in this box. You can fill one layer with chocolates, the other one with some affordable cash you are having, and the third topmost layer with some gifts that I will be showing in the next 4 ideas. For the next idea, you can gift her a pen drive with all your best moments captured together. And at the last, you can give your sister a membership card of her favorite brand or any spa voucher already booked by you. I hope these ideas will work for you. And if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new upcoming video. See you on the next Saturday. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, take care, bye bye.